The most powerful king on earth launched an invasion with thousands of warships. He was absolutely certain that victory was guaranteed. But what he didn't know was that he was leading his own massive fleet directly into a deadly trap, a place from which returning alive was completely impossible. The year was 480 BC, a time when the Persian Empire was at the absolute peak of its glorious power. Its ruler, King Xerxes, was considered the master of the greatest force on earth. He possessed a massive army and a naval fleet so terrifying it struck deep fear into the hearts of his enemies. His goal was single-focused, to conquer Greece and expand his empire even further. But inside Greece, there was one mastermind who understood that this monstrous power could never be defeated by numbers alone. He designed a brilliant trick that would become one of the most famous military strategies in human history. A tiny Greek fleet, a dangerous gamble, and a trap that the ultimate King of Kings was about to walk right into. This is the story of the Battle of Salamis, where pure intellect crushed brute force. In the ancient world, the Persian Empire was a terrifying superpower whose defiance was considered entirely impossible. Its colossal borders stretched vastly from the heart of Asia in the east, all the way to the very edges of Greece in the west. Persia commanded highly experienced soldiers, elite military commanders, and a massive naval presence across the seas. When Xerxes decided to launch his grand invasion against Greece, his ultimate objective was not merely to conquer new territory. He desperately wanted to seek heavy revenge for the humiliating failure of his father, King Darius. To achieve this, he gathered an army designed to make the entire world tremble in absolute fear. Millions of disciplined soldiers marched on land, while an overwhelming naval fleet sailed across the ocean toward Greece. It truly seemed as though no force on earth could ever halt the Persian advance. Yet history often shows that the most powerful rulers rely so blindly on their numbers that they entirely forget the dangerous intelligence of their enemy. And this was the exact mistake Xerxes was about to make. On the other side of the conflict, Greece was far from a united empire. Instead, it was deeply fractured, divided into numerous small independent city-states that constantly bickered. Among these rival states, the most prominent were Athens and Sparta. Compared to the massive millions of Persia, the Greeks were completely outnumbered. A vast majority of people were fully convinced that Greece could never stand for long against the unstoppable Persian war machine. The Persian forces advanced deeply, capturing territory after territory with ease. Soon, the historical city of Athens itself was placed in extreme peril, yet the Greeks possessed one secret advantage that the Persians lacked: a strategy capable of turning the enemy's immense size into their greatest weakness. The mastermind behind this brilliant defensive plan was a singular man named Themistocles. He understood perfectly that meeting the massive Persian navy in the wide, open sea would be absolute suicide. Therefore, he desperately needed to find a specific battleground where numbers would fail and pure intelligence would decide the victor. Themistocles was no ordinary soldier or politician. He firmly believed that wars are never won by raw physical power alone, but by carefully reading and manipulating the mind of the enemy. As he analyzed the overwhelming size of the Persian fleet, he recognized a critical, dangerous truth. Persia possessed far more ships, countless more soldiers, and vastly superior resources. However, he realized that such an immense force could become completely paralyzed and vulnerable if forced into a highly confined space. With this genius insight, he carefully chose the narrow straits near the island of Salamis as the battlefield. This specific location was designed to become a fatal trap for Persia. But a massive problem remained. Many leaders within the Greek military alliance were terrified and refused to make a stand there. They genuinely feared that facing such an overwhelming power meant certain death. Now, Themistocles didn't just have to figure out how to win the war. He first had to trick his enemy into moving exactly according to his master plan. Faced with the terrifying size of the Persian navy, open warfare meant certain death for Greece. But the Greek mastermind, Themistocles, knew that an immense fleet would become completely paralyzed in tight spaces. He made a historic decision to lure the enemy into the narrow straits of Salamis, where their massive numbers would turn into a catastrophic disadvantage. To execute this trap, Themistocles sent a secret, deceptive message straight to King Xerxes, claiming the Greeks were terrified and retreating. Blinded by intense pride, the Persian king swallowed the bait entirely. He confidently ordered his thousands of massive warships to charge directly into the narrow straits, unaware he was sailing into his own doom. As the giant Persian ships crowded into the narrow waters, chaos exploded. The oversized vessels began violently crashing into one another, completely trapped and unable to move. Suddenly, the small, agile Greek ships rushed into the confusion with absolute fury, systematically smashing and tearing the superpower's paralyzed navy into pieces. In just a few shocking hours, the Persian fleet collapsed completely. Xerxes watched from the cliffs as his dream of global conquest drowned to the ocean floor. The Battle of Salamis proved to world history that no wall of raw strength can ever withstand the strike of a genius mind. If you love the deep echoes of the past, join our empire and subscribe to History Echo right now.